In this video, I will show how to change the default font in Excel. Open your Excel program. Now here guys, you have to click on Options. Now underneath this General tab, you will see option when creating new workbooks. Use this as the default font. Click on this drop down and here you can select your desired font. Also guys, you can change default font size. Default view for new sheets, normal view, page break preview, page layout view. So set as and change as you need, then click on OK. Now restart Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching, and this is the setting to change the default font in Excel.